Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Shopify email marketing to grow your business. Make sure to watch till the end for all the key details. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Shopify email first. Log into your Shopify dashboard. Go to the Apps section and search for Shopify email. Install the app if you haven't already. This built-in tool makes it easy to send email campaigns directly from your Shopify store. Step 2. Build your email list. To send emails, you need subscribers. Go to Marketing, Greater Than Automation, and set up a sign-up form on your website. Offer incentives like discounts or free resources to encourage visitors to subscribe. Step 3. Create an email campaign. Click on Marketing in your Shopify dashboard. Then go to Create Campaign, Shopify Email. Choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. Customize your email with a strong subject line, engaging content, and a call to action, CTA, that encourages customers to shop. Step 4. Segment your audience. For better results, segment your email list based on customer behavior, purchase history, or location. Go to Customers, create groups, and send personalized emails to increase engagement and sales. Step 5. Automate email sequences. Use Shopify's automation features to send emails automatically. Set up welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Automations help keep your customers engaged without manual effort. And that's it. Now you know how to use Shopify email marketing to grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.